How to activate an unactivated slime. First, you will need your unactivated slime. Then you will need activator or contact solution. They are the same thing. Then a bowl to mix it in, and then a mixer. By the way, you can use anything as the mixer. You could use a fork or a spoon. Okay, so let's do this. I'm just gonna pop it like this. It's gonna be really satisfying. Okay, mine is just really sticky. It's still like a slime though. It's just really sticky. I'm gonna get this out off camera. And when you have your slime in your bowl, then this is when the activator comes in hands. So then you will put, it depends how sticky it is. If it's not that sticky, then you only put a little bit. But if it's really sticky, then you put a lot. Mine's just a little sticky. Mine isn't that sticky. I'm running out of time, guys, but I'll make it part 2.